Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So you got a letter from a company called LexisNexis and you're probably a little confused, maybe even worried. Let's clear it up right now. LexisNexis is what's known as a data broker or a consumer reporting agency. They are a massive company that collects huge amounts of public and private data on pretty much every adult in the United States. Think of them as a giant digital filing cabinet that holds information about your past addresses, property records, liens, court judgments, criminal history, and even your insurance claims history. They then sell this information to other businesses like banks, insurance companies, employers, and landlords, who use it to make decisions about you. So why would they send you a letter? The most common reason, by far, is because of something called an adverse action notice. This is a legal requirement under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA. An adverse action is when a company uses information from a consumer report to make a negative decision about you. For example, a bank denied your loan application. An insurance company turned you down for a policy or quoted you a very high rate. A landlord rejected your rental application. A potential employer decided not to hire you based on a background check. If that company used a report from LexisNexis to make that decision, they are legally required to tell you, and LexisNexis is often the one that sends the official letter. This letter is actually a good thing, even though it brings bad news. It's your official notification that you have the right to see exactly what information was used against you. The letter will tell you how to get a free copy of the specific report that led to the denial. Here's what you need to do. First, don't panic and don't throw the letter away. Second, read it carefully to see which company took the adverse action against you. Third, and this is the most important part, use the letter to request your free report from LexisNexis. The instructions will be right there. Once you get that report, go through it with a fine-tooth comb. Data brokers make mistakes. They might have mixed you up with someone else who has a similar name, or they might have outdated or just plain wrong information. They compile all sorts of reports, not just one. For example, they create the CLUE report, which tracks all your auto and home insurance claims, and insurers use it to set your premiums. If you find anything that's wrong on your report, you have the right to dispute it. LexisNexis has a legal obligation to investigate your dispute and correct any inaccurate information. So, while getting a letter like this can be alarming, think of it as an opportunity. It's a rare chance to peek behind the curtain and see the data that companies are using to judge you, and it gives you the power to fix any errors that could be hurting your financial life. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on protecting your personal information and understanding your consumer rights.